Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Around the World. When a country increases its power, it is not only concerned with its defense, but it also ensures that its voice is heard on global platforms. Because in today's time, when the global perspective is rapidly changing, we are living in an era where major powers stand face to face. With each passing day, political imbalances and military tensions are deepening in different parts of the world. Western countries like the US have expanded their strategic boundaries, while countries like Iran are continuously working to increase their military power. Recently, Iran has opened a new missile city which houses advanced and long-range missiles. This move is not only a symbol of Iran's military development, but also a clear indication of the increasing tensions with countries like the US and Israel. In this context, the question arises whether this move can affect global politics, and will this step make Iran even more powerful? Let's explore the answers to these questions in detail, but first, let's take a brief look at Iran. Iran, formerly known as the Islamic Republic of Iran, is an important country located in Western Asia. Its ancient name was Persia, and it has long been home to one of the world's oldest civilizations. It is bordered by Azerbaijan, Armenia, Turkmenistan, and the Caspian Sea to the north, Pakistan and Afghanistan to the east, the Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman to the south, and Turkey and Iraq to the west. It also controls around a dozen islands in the Persian Gulf. Now, let's talk about the recent developments. Recently, Iran unveiled its third underground missile facility aimed at enhancing its military strength and strengthening its defense system. In fact, in November 2020, Iran revealed its underground military ambitions when footage of a secret ballistic missile facility surfaced, where weapons were transported through large underground tunnels using an automated rail system ready for launch. Then, 3 years later, Tehran showcased another strategic stronghold, a vast underground complex designed to shelter and secure fighter jets. This new city houses many advanced missiles, which have a very long range. These include Khyber Shekan 900 miles range, Haj Qasim 850 miles range, Gadr H 1240 miles range, Sijil 1550 miles range, and Imad 1050 miles range. Large and dangerous missiles. Given the technical capabilities of these missiles, it is clear that Iran has significantly strengthened its military power. Iran's move is a message that it is fully prepared to face any threat. However, this step by Iran could increase tensions in its relations with the US and Israel. The USA has already raised strong objections regarding Iran's nuclear program, and Israel has repeatedly threatened to eliminate Iran's nuclear project. US President Trump had given Iran an ultimatum demanding that Iran end its nuclear and missile programs. Iran rejected this, stating that its nuclear activities were essential for national security. In this situation, Iran has increased its military strength and challenged the USA and Israel by opening a new missile city. It is noteworthy that this new military step by Iran could have a profound impact on global security. Tensions with the US and Israel have already increased, and after the inauguration of this missile city, the situation could become even more complex. This step by Iran is not only a military strategy, but also a strong message to the US and Israel. Moreover, it could impact the global power balance. Now, strategic analysts around the world are taking this move seriously because it could bring about a change in the global security and political perspective. Iran's move could affect the global power balance. Countries like the USA and Israel have already expressed concerns about Iran's nuclear program and missile development. This could increase pressure on global security and lead to an escalation in military competition between other nations. Many countries may have concerns about this move by Iran, as it could create new tensions in the Middle East region. Despite this move by Iran, it is important that global security organizations and the international community make efforts to resolve the situation. Both sides, Iran and the Western countries, need to reduce tensions through mutual dialogue and cooperation. At this time, the United Nations and other global organizations can actively intervene in this matter. If Iran and the Western countries adopt a stable and peaceful strategy based on mutual trust and understanding, global security could stabilize. Iran's new missile city is a significant military step that could have a profound impact on global politics and security. Therefore, it is the need of the hour for the global community to seriously address this situation and find a peaceful resolution. Now it's time for this program's Sunday special segment, The World Around Us, where we will discuss other important international news. US President Donald Trump has announced a 25% tariff on auto imports starting next week. This new tariff will come into effect from 2nd April, and the US government will begin implementing it a day later from 3rd April. Trump says that this step has been taken to support the US industry and that it will be a significant move towards correcting the trade imbalance. As a result of this decision, automobiles coming particularly from Europe and Asia will face higher tariffs. This move is likely to increase tensions in global trade relations and may compel many countries to reconsider their trade policies. Former Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro has been ordered to face trial for attempted rebellion. He is accused of taking unconstitutional steps to overturn Brazil's democratic government in January 2023. If Bolsonaro is found guilty, he could face a sentence of more than 40 years. This case stands at a critical juncture for Brazil's political instability and the protection of democratic institutions. This action against Bolsonaro is part of steps taken regarding the controversial policies and actions during his presidency. This decision could impact Brazil's political future and judicial independence. Prime Minister Narendra Modi sent a letter to Bangladesh's Chief Advisor Muhammad Yunus on the occasion of Bangladesh's National Day, urging the advancement of bilateral relations, referencing the shared history. In the letter, Modi emphasized that relations between Bangladesh and India should be further strengthened based on mutual sensitivities, interests, and concerns. He extended his National Day greetings to Yunus and the people of Bangladesh. Modi stated that both countries should work towards reinforcing their relationship and promoting cooperation to contribute to regional prosperity. This letter is an effort to take the friendship and partnership between the two countries forward in a positive direction. So viewers, we conclude the discussion here and note today's question. How can the inauguration of Iran's new missile city impact global security? Explain.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.